iPulse case for the iPhone 10. I want to give a shout out to iPulse for sending this over to me to take a look at and review. So let's dive in. This in this little pouch right here, very cool. So let's see what we get. And this is the case. Oh wow, look at that. Very nice. Nice leather material here. Very nice stitching. Open the case. In here, a little styrofoam and some rat poison. This is like a TPU case that's inside of the leather case. You have some information here. Lifetime warranty from iPulse. Very nice. Thank you. In here we have UNICEF, website for children. Check that out if you want. And a thank you card. They're based in Dallas, Texas. You're welcome. You have 1, 2, 3 slots here for your credit cards or driver's license, etc. Inside here you have a felt material. Let's put the phone in and just check this out. Let's check it out. Snaps right in. Use the phone, not a problem. But you close the case. And there you go. Nice stitching here all around. On the red and the green. The stitching also matches the color of the leather. Red stitching here on the red leather. And green stitching here on the green portion. Very nice attention to detail. Your phone's not going to fall out when it's in the case. Nice cutout for your camera. That shouldn't be a problem. Nice wide open cutout for your power button here. And also raised button here for the volume rocker. Access to your alert slider. No issues with that whatsoever. You can also use this case as a stand. So if you go like this, you can watch movies, etc. on your device. If you want to look like an executive, if you want to look like a baller or somebody like that, get this kind of case. You'll definitely achieve that type of look. Hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this one. If you're interested, I'll put a link in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.